Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Integrals get easy fast when you spot the move, and this one collapses beautifully into a simple polynomial answer in under a minute. Start by expanding the square because x cubed plus 2 squared is not a clean U substitution here. It becomes x to the 6th plus 4x cubed plus 4. Now integrate term by term using the power rule. X to the 6th becomes 1/7 x to the 7th, 4x cubed becomes x to the 4th, and 4 becomes 4x. So the antiderivative is 1/7 x to the 7th plus x to the 4th plus 4x plus c, which matches option D exactly. Well done! Option D. Scan now. The trap is rushing signs or shortcuts. The rule is trust the given expression and check each integration step.